Students, very good morning. Now we'll discuss about program to count number of nodes in a linked list. Previous session we discussed about oral explanation. Now we'll see the tracing part of this part B, last 10th program. As usual, it goes to the main program. As here integer item initially count value is equal to 0. Count, we'll take it as a 0. Okay. Next. See, character choice is what? Always y, small y. It is clear screen. Start equal to null. Goes to start value is null. Initially start value null. How the start value is? I'll check it out. Count is equal to 0. This is start. Not at all created any node. This is start in the linked list. Not at all created any node. That means this is equal to null. Fine. Next. While choice is, what is your choice? Choice is what we declared? Small y. Small y is compared with small y? Yes. Yes means it starts creating of a node. To create a node, you know, this is a most powerful code in the linked list. P equal to malloc memory allocation size of, that is keyword struct, that is using structure that first we declared, no, structure part. That structure, it creates a node. Each node is divided into two parts, as you know. In that, it will enter the element. It takes the element. So I will enter the first node as a 10. Node number 1 is 10. Once it enter, you have to enter p of info and p of link. P of info is item. Item is inserted as 10. P of link is equal to null. Okay. That part I will explain. P of, what is that? Using p equal to malloc size of struct node. This is a code used for to create like this node. Once node is created, next code is what? It enters the item. P of info equal to what? Item. P of info is equal to item. This is a node is created. So each node is divided into, as you know, this is a info part and link part. Using p is equal to this pointer p is created. So p of info is what? Item. P of info is item. What you entered first node as a 10. This next is p of link is equal to p of link is what? Null. So this node is created. Will initialize. Now it goes null. This created one node. That is using pointer p. It is info part and link part. What we did? Only 10 is entered. This part is what? For time being null. Once you create next node, this once you created a next another node, this null is changes to what? Link. Like this you have to enter the 20, next 30, 40, like this. How many nodes you want? That many nodes you have to enter. Come back to the counting tracing part. Initially count value is what? 0. Now count plus plus means one node is created. See, initially this part, no nodes are created. The count value is what? 0. Count value is 0. Now how many count? 0 plus 1? 1. One node is created. So count is equal to 1. First node is created. Next, if start is equal to null, yes, our start is what? See here. Start is what? Start is equal to null. Yes, start is equal to null. So starting pointer, first node is created. Start is equal to p. First time it goes this part. Next time L pulse. Second node you want to create now, it goes to the else part. Okay, p equal to q. Do you want to create another node? Get character. Yes, you want to create another node. Just I press yes. Yes means small y. Small y is compared with small y. Next, same thing it creates. Second node also p equal to malloc, as I explained in the first node. Okay, it takes the second info part. Now enter info 20. I will enter. Press enter key. Now create. Send the second node. I want to create this null changes to link. Again, this is a node 20. I will enter. This become null part. Like this, you have to create one 5 node. You have to create one 5 node. First is null, first node, second, third, 4, and 5. Each node you divided into 2 parts, as you know. Then last part is I'll tell no. Okay. Then this is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, node 5. Total number of count is how many? 5 total number. Any number of nodes you can create. Okay, then it becomes linked list. Now first time enter 20, first time it go to, that is p is equal to, sorry, start is equal to null. Second time onwards else part I will tell you how it will go to the else part, second node onwards. Okay, second time p of info equal to item, second node you are creating. Third, p of link equal to null. Count equal to, initially count is 0, first node you created, now second. If start is equal to null, now second node you created, start is equal to null, no, start is not equal to null because we have already previous node and this node you are creating. So it goes to the else part. If start is not equal to null, it goes to the else part. See, q of link equal to p, it makes this null is changes to this null is changes to what? It makes the link. So it is not a null, it makes to link, like second part. Third also else part, fourth also else part, fifth also else part. So at that time pointer p and q is equal to, okay, same. Do you want to create another node? Yes, we have to create on 5 node. How many nodes you created? First is 10, second is 20. Now you want to create third node. I will press y. Y is equal to y. Yes, same thing what I explained. It takes the item p of info equal to, next is node is 30. Okay, press enter key. P of info equal to item, p of link is equal to null. Count is how many? 3 over. Next, if start equal to null, no, else part it goes. Q of link equal to p. Do you want to create another node? Yes. How many over? 3 nodes over. Fourth one, y is equal to y. Yes, again it is created fourth node. That fourth node, enter, you have to enter the item and info part. Info part is a 40, that is item, and then 40 is the node is null. Count is 4. Else part is went. Next is, do you want to create another node? Yes, I will press y. It is taken as is the last node I am creating. How many nodes you want, you can create. Now for time being I am creating 5 nodes. Press enter key. 50 I entered. P of link, count is 5. If start equal to null, no, again only first time first node it goes to start equal to null. Second time onwards it goes to the else part. Do you want to create another node? No. Now I will press n. N I pressed. Next is n is equal to y. No. No means it directly skips. The linked list elements are all the elements you have to display. No, all the elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what we have to use? We have to use concept called as a traversing concept to display one by one element. To display one by one, where you have to start? From the first node. It is header node. It is starting node. Start equal to p. So while pts is not equal to null, first node yes. So p of info means first node information, second node, third node, fourth node, fifth node. 5 times it works this loop. Okay. First 10. Okay, it goes to the second node. In second node also not equal to null. 20 displays. Then not equal, 30 displays, 40 displays, 50 displays. Next it goes to the sixth node. Nothing is there. Just check it. 50, after 50 displaying null is there. Then it is not equal to null. Here it become equal to null. The condition is false. Then it come out. See the number of nodes in the linked list. Count. How many count? 5. Yet ch. So what are the nodes you created? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Total number of nodes in the linked list is 5. This is a linked list program, simple program to count number of nodes. Any number of nodes you can create. Thank you students. It completes part B lab programs. Next session part A left out lab programs we will discuss.